Hey Dekoni fans, welcome to another episode of Dekoni U. I'm Dylan, the product manager at Dekoni Audio, and today we're going to be talking about earpad burn-in. In our previous Dekoni U video, we discussed the general term headphone burn-in and the myths and speculation behind it in the audio world. Towards the end of the video, we mentioned how your earpads could be the sole factor that causes the burn-in effect in your headphones, as opposed to the popular myth where your driver must be burned in order for your headphones to produce the best possible sound. We'll leave a link to that video in the description below if you're interested in learning more. In this video, we wanted to go a little bit more in-depth on how your worn-in or burned-in earpads can affect the overall listening experience of your headphones. Although burning in your headphones, or specifically the driver component of the headphones, has been proven to be a myth or call for speculation, earpad burn-in is very much a thing that can be measured and visually noticeable. Earpad burn-in is where the frequency response or sound of your headphones can change in relation to the amount of time you wear your specific headphones. It also refers to the way that your earpads compress or fit around your head. If you order headphones with earpads containing thick memory foam, over time the foam will compress tighter around your ears, creating a new sound signature that can make your headphones sound better or different. A way to test this out is by pressing your headphones either closer or farther away from your ears and listening to the difference in sound compared to how they regularly fit around your ears out of the box. There are two specific types of earpad burn-in to consider. The first is known as long-term. This is where after a few months or an extended period of time using the headphone with regular foam earpads, you will notice the earpads beginning to flatten or lose their thickness. With this, you'll start to notice the changes in sound or frequency response because of the difference in angle and distance of your ears to the drivers of your headphone. A popular example of this is the HD600 line of headphones. The stock earpads typically have to be replaced yearly to get a fresh fit and reduce the burn-in that may negatively impact the comfort and/or sound signature of the headphones. The other type of earpad burn-in is the type of burn-in that occurs on a per-session basis, or short-term. This particular type of burn-in pertains to our earpads and how our specific type of memory foam can affect your headphone listening experience. Our earpads use premium, high-density memory foam, which can retain its shape extremely well. This makes your earpads much less likely to lose its shape and density over time, even when you wear your headphones for extended periods. When you use memory foam earpads, there's a heat exchange, and heat will affect the structure of the earpads. As more heat enters the memory foam, the dense foam will become more flexible and its shape will conform to the shape of your head. After the earpads warm up a little bit, the distance between your ear and the driver will change, and the earpad will create a much better seal around your ear. This is what causes that increase in bass extension that we mentioned previously about our earpads. And there you have it. Hopefully you were able to gain a better understanding of what earpad burn-in is and how it can affect your overall listening experience. Remember, earpad burn-in is not the same as headphone burn-in. Earpad burn-in refers to the way that your earpads seal around your ears and that it has been proven to alter the sound signature of your headphones. We talked about two scenarios: stock pad burn-in, which is really more like stock pad wear-out, and Dekoni burn-in, where with heat and long sessions, the earpads will settle in to snugly hug your head. This is not the same as headphone burn-in, the controversial term that has been thrown around in the audio world and doesn't have much measurable data to back it. Let us know in the comments below what you think about headphone and earpad burn-in, and if it's something you experienced with your headphones. Also, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more Dekoni U informational videos in the future. Before we go, if you are interested in improving the comfort and sound quality of your headphones, or perhaps you'd like to replace your older or burned-in stock earpads, check out our website at dekoniaudio.com. We have an abundance of high-quality, luxurious replacement earpads that can upgrade the quality of your listening experience. Thanks for watching.